Hey everyone, it's Ronnie from the Stephenville campus. It is bright and early on Friday morning, and today I'm gonna give a 5-minute tutorial on how to do some quick makeup so you don't look completely exhausted and dead for the day. So first, what you're gonna start off with is some BB cream or tinted moisturizer. You don't need a whole face full of foundation to do it. Something just very tinted and light to even out your skin tone will do the trick. I just take a wet beauty blender and dab all over my face so that way there's no lines, I'm not smearing anything, and it doesn't ever require a whole lot, so your face shouldn't feel cakey and heavy and gross throughout the day because there's not a lot of product on there, which is the best part. Okay, starting off strong. You can't really tell this angle in the light. Then what I do is I get some foundation, powder foundation, that's sort of the same color as the liquid foundation or the tinted moisturizer, and I apply that on my face just to sort of smooth out anything from the BB cream, and so that way my face doesn't look shiny and oily. It kind of just sets it all into place. It helps put the finishing touches on an even skin tone. And like I said, it doesn't require a whole lot. Next, what I do is get some blush. You need a little color on your face so that way you don't look like a ghost or you don't look like you don't have any life in you. Just smile, put on your cheekbones. Honestly, blush is powerful. So, a little goes a long way just to add some color and contrast. Let me see if I can. Ooh, there you go. I look like a human again. Sometimes I add a little bit to my nose or my forehead just to balance it all out. Next, I get this little stick highlighter just to dab a little sparkle onto my higher cheekbones and then blend it out with my finger, just because what girl doesn't want a little bit of sparkle and highlight? And come on now, it's fun. Why would we pass it up? A little on your nose and your cupid's bow. Nice, nice. Here I am pumping myself up. And that's just like a little liquid stick that you can just blend out with your finger, no big deal. Then I usually get some brow gel real quick and go through my eyebrows so they all go in the same way and they look a little bit more full and a little darker. I personally don't fill in my eyebrows because, not to be like boastful or anything, but I have pretty good eyebrows that don't really need all of that, like a basic eyebrow fill that most girls do. So I just get some gel to, you know, comb through them and have them stay looking clean and neat. Ooh, not too bad, not too bad. 2 more steps, kind of 3, but only really 2. I do 2 little applications of mascara. The first one for me helps sort of just get the mascara on there, so that way you can see it. And then the second application with a different mascara is going to help give me the length that I want, so that way my eyelashes don't necessarily look short and stubby or non-existent. Yeah, for this I don't do any eyeshadow or eyeliner just because I'm not finished. don't think that eyeshadow and eyeliner are always completely necessary just for a typical day. Maybe something a little bit fancier if you're going to dinner, parties, stuff like that. So I don't do that stuff on the daily. Don't mind my ugly mascara face. I'll clean up my eyelids later. And last but not least, little mascara to help even out everything else. Oh, that's rude. Okay, that usually doesn't happen a whole lot, but when it does, it's at the most inconvenient times. We're going to skip that and come back to it. Last but not least, put on just a little bit of gloss. I love this lip gloss because it hydrates my lips and it doesn't make them feel super sticky. And it's a very natural color. And voila. That is how you do a 5-ish minute makeup tutorial in the morning, minus that which I will wipe off real quick. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.